A cleaning area is a general term used to describe whatever needs to be cleaned. This may include a specific piece of equipment, a floor, a wall, a tool, some process piping, or whatever. It may even include just a part of some equipment. For example, some things are so big in scope that the cleaning is more easily broken down into bite-sized tasks to be performed over a long period of time. If that is the case, specify what the cleaning area is on your schedule, however big or small it is, and the appropriate frequency. Also, your cleaning area may be repeated more than once on your schedule. For example, you may need to schedule that area at one frequency for general cleaning and at another frequency for deep cleaning. If that is the case, you may simply qualify your cleaning area by appending the word general or deep behind it so that you know which type of cleaning is required. Frequencies of cleaning vary greatly depending on the circumstances and range from a certain number of days a week to even once a year. Good judgment and experience can go a long way in deciding the proper frequency. If in doubt, err on the side of too frequent. You can always reduce the frequency if, after your first few cycles, you can see that you are cleaning more frequently than is necessary. Sometimes the cleaning frequency will change throughout the year depending on circumstances. For example, during humid months, certain cleaning may have to be increased in frequency. Or if you are running for more hours or increasing production volume, you may need to increase cleaning frequencies to adjust. If you are tempted to think that a particular cleaning area should only be cleaned as needed, then try to think of the master cleaning schedule as a kind of tracker for how often you are going to inspect the area to see if it needs to be cleaned. At that set interval, clean it, whether it needs much cleaning or not, and then record your activities. Again, you can adjust frequencies according to your observations of how much cleaning was necessary. Here is a quick list of things to remember in your master cleaning schedule. This list is provided to you in a document form as well as part of this course. Floors, walls, doors, ceilings, piping, vents, fans, drains, sinks, hoses, equipment, tables, light fixtures, containers, tools, utensils, carts, pallets, pallet jacks, and forklifts.